When it comes to fixing a car, many people feel overwhelmed by the complexities of automotive repair. However, with the right knowledge and a bit of confidence, anyone can tackle common issues with their vehicle. Here are 5 secret tips that can help you fix almost any car problem, making you feel empowered and capable of handling automotive challenges. First, familiarize yourself with your vehicle's owner's manual. This often overlooked resource is a treasure trove of information specific to your car model. It contains details about maintenance schedules, fluid specifications, and troubleshooting guides for common issues. When you encounter a problem, such as strange noises or dashboard warning lights, consult the manual first. It can provide insights that save you time and frustration. Understanding your car's systems and components through the manual can help you identify whether a problem is minor or requires professional attention. Second, invest in a basic toolkit. A well-equipped toolkit can be the difference between a simple fix and a costly trip to the mechanic. Essential tools include a socket set, wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and a jack. Having these tools on hand allows you to address issues like changing a flat tire, replacing a battery, or tightening loose bolts. You don't need to be a professional mechanic to perform basic repairs. Often, a little patience and the right tools are all you need to make a significant difference. Plus, the satisfaction of fixing something yourself can be incredibly rewarding. Third, learn to identify the sounds your car makes. Cars often communicate their problems through noise. A squeaking sound might indicate worn brake pads, while a grinding noise could suggest a more serious issue with the transmission. By paying attention to these sounds and understanding their meanings, you can catch problems early before they escalate into major repairs. Listening closely to your vehicle can help you distinguish between normal operational sounds and those that signal a need for attention. Fourth, never underestimate the power of a good cleaning. Sometimes, performance issues can be traced back to dirt and grime buildup in critical areas. Cleaning components like the battery terminals, air filters, and fuel injectors can improve your car's performance significantly. A clean engine runs more efficiently, and removing debris from sensors can prevent false readings that might lead to unnecessary repairs. Regular maintenance, including oil changes and fluid checks, not only keeps your car running smoothly, but can also extend its lifespan. Finally, embrace the wealth of information available online. The internet is filled with resources for DIY car repairs. Websites, forums, and video tutorials can guide you through specific fixes step by step. Whether you're dealing with a minor issue or a more complex repair, chances are someone has documented their experience and shared it online. Utilize these resources to gain confidence in your ability to tackle repairs. Watching someone else successfully fix a problem can inspire you to try it yourself, demystifying the process and making it feel attainable. By incorporating these 5 secret tips into your approach to car maintenance and repair, you can transform the way you view automotive issues. Familiarizing yourself with your owner's manual, investing in a basic toolkit, listening to your car, cleaning components, and utilizing online resources will empower you to address a wide range of problems confidently. Remember that every car owner encounters issues from time to time, and with a little knowledge and determination, you can become your own mechanic. The next time your car makes an odd noise or the check engine light comes on, don't panic. Instead, take a deep breath, recall these tips, and dive into the world of automotive repair with newfound enthusiasm. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve.